Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning to everyone. All are warm welcome to our online class. My dears, how are you? Are you safe in your home? Okay. We have discussed about algebra. We have studied what it means and important terms related with the algebra. First one, variable. What is variable? Okay. And the expression of this variable. Okay. Different types of expressions. 8 more than x. It means 8 plus or x plus 8. 3 less than y. It means y minus 3. 5 times a, it means 5 into a. Okay, we have studied these types of expression. Today, very important one is equation. What is it means? What is the meaning of equation? Have you ever heard? Equation. It is very simple to understand, but it is very difficult to apply or to use in our daily life if we are not bothered about the definition of equation and the usage of equation. So, I kindly request you, you have to study this part in our algebraic in this chapter. Equation is very important. Okay, what is equation means? We can simply define equation means there are three things. There are the combination of three things, which are the left side, right side, and the symbol of equal. Yes. First, symbol of equal. This is symbol of equal. Then there may be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 means 7. Then it is a equation. X plus 5, 10. It is another equation. 2x is equal to 20. This is another equation. Then it is very simple to understand what it equal and a right side and a left side. Okay, right side and a left side. Then it is a equation. Then you can find out the value of x with this equation. Okay, yes, you can find out the value of here. X plus 5 is equal to 10. Then you have to find out the value of x. Then you have to take this 5 into the right side of the equation. Right side of the equation. Then it becomes negative. It becomes minus. Then you get answer 5. The value of this x is 5. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. If you give the value of x to the x, then the x, here x means 5, then 5 plus 5, 10. Okay? This is the equation. Equation has three parts. First one, the symbol of equal. Second one, right side. Third one, left side. Okay, left side symbol of equal, right side. This is means equation. Equation എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വളരെ എളുപ്പമാണ്. രണ്ട് തുല്യമായ കാര്യങ്ങളെ മാത്സിൽ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഇക്വേഷൻ. രണ്ട് ഭാഗങ്ങളുണ്ടാവും, വലതുഭാഗം ഇടതുഭാഗം, സമത്തിന് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ചിഹ്നം. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ this equation is very useful in our life and in our maths. Okay, so you have to study it in details. You just read the passage given in your textbook, page number 104. When an algebraic expression is given a specific value, when it is equal to this specific value, we say it is an equation. Okay, when an algebraic expression is given a specific value, when it is equal to the specific value. Have you ever observed how the vegetable vendor weighs the vegetables? Yes, in vegetable vendor weighs the vegetable. Yes, first if you want 1 kilo potato, then the 1 kilo to weights, the housekeeper uses the iron of 1 kilo, and then he puts the vegetables here, potato, and he find out which is the, when it becomes equal, two sides of weighing machine, then he find out and he watch is it equal or not, whether it is equal or not. Then he give the vegetable to the customer. So how he adds vegetables to equal the weights or adds weights to equal a vegetable? How many potatoes does he add to equal 1 kilogram? Yes, let us say Arun has some marbles in his pocket. Arun has some marbles in his pocket. He adds 6 more and find that in all he has 12 marbles. So what did he have initially? We find it out as, listen here, he adds 6 more and finds that in all he has 16 marbles. You just imagine, you is here Arun, you is here Arun, you have marbles in your pocket, and you add 6 more marbles in your 6 marbles in your pocket, add, then it becomes 12, then it becomes 12, total marbles 12. Okay, total marble 12. First you have 6. Sorry, first you have X marble. You don't know about the number of marble. Then you add 6 marble. Total 12 marble. Then what it means? Yes, X is the first you have in your pocket. Then X plus 6 is equal 12. Listen here. Total marble after your addition 12 marbles. Then 6 plus 6. Sorry, X plus 6. X means you have already in your pocket. It means 6. You don't know about that. And you add 6 marbles. Then you get final 12 marble. Then how many marbles are in your pocket already? Yes, X is equal 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. Then 6 is the answer. Okay. It is very simple. Then in general, x plus 6 more than 12 or x plus 6 less than 12 are not equation. Okay, this is not equation. X plus 6 this is not equation. Is it is like this, then it is equation. Okay, yes. Thus an equation is a statement relating two expressions or numbers which are equal. Finding the value of unknown is called solving the equation. Consider the expression 5 less than the given number x minus 5 if the given number is x. If this x minus 5 is given a specific value, say 4, then we know that x minus 5 is 4. X minus 5 is 4. Let us find the value of x. If x is 3, then x minus 5 means 3 minus 5. Then negative 5. Negative 2, which is not true. Okay, if x 9, then x minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4, which is true. Okay, yes. Thus 9 is called the solution of this equation. 9 is called the solution of this equation. It is only for the value of x, the given condition x minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, listen here. If this x minus 5 is given a specific value, say 4, then we know that x minus 5, 4. Okay, please listen. You get x minus 5 is equal to 4. If x is equal to 3, then x 3 minus 5, answer minus 2. So it is not the value of the x, because x minus 5 is equal to 4. Then if the x is 9, then 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, then it is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Okay, yes. Then there are examples. Check if the value of x gives the solution of the question. Yes, x minus 7, 12. There are two examples. To find out the answer of these examples, there are answer. You have to just write down in your notebook. Exercise 8.2. Identify which of the following are equation. Okay, please take your textbook, page number 105. Identify which of the following are equation. താഴെ പറയുന്നതിൽ നിന്ന് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റിയത്? Just to find out. Okay, I will give sometimes you have to find out the answer. Okay, listen here. There are A, B, C, D, E, F questions. 6 questions. First question, x plus 5. X plus 5 less than